I was not going to post a video until I went on my next camping trip, but I decided, you know what? Got my camera now. Let's just do it. Let's just get it. Let's just do the vlogs. So I decided, why not make a vlog like we're going to the park again. Pretty much what I'm trying to say is I'm going to the park. I'm barefoot and shorts, because shorts weather. Shorts weather. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on. There's so many people here. They're all looking at me funny because I have a camera and a tripod. That's all I can do on this tree because all the other branches are way too high up for me. And there's a ton of spiders, I don't want to ruin their homes. This world makes me so angry. These teenage kids just came up here and destroyed this. I'm trying so hard not to cuss because they just completely vandalize these trees. These aren't their trees. They can't do that. I watched, there was 3 of them, so I couldn't do anything because I knew if I tried, they'd obviously gang up on me because it's just me and my dog. So I had nothing, there was nothing I was able to do. Just that one too. They're just trees, they're not doing anything. All they get to do is sit here and look at where they have been for their entire life, and you just go ahead and spray paint them? Really? It's idiotic. It's not okay. It's nature. Come on. If you do stuff like that, and you like break glass on the ground, like, do it on the concrete if you're gonna do it, at least, like, don't do it in the grass where me and my dog walk barefoot. Come on. And this is my favorite tree. They just vandalize a tree. Why vandalize a tree? There's no need for this. The camera can pick it up way better than I can see it with my own eyes. But what is the point of doing this? I really don't understand. Some water. My hands smell like pine tree and Christmas. Okay, I have a question. God, I'm just so upset about this. I'm so mad about this, guys. If we were sent here to vandalize and destroy the earth, why the hell are we here? This is not what life is. Destroying this tree is not what life is. Life is not destroying things. Life is making things, okay? Okay? No. I just don't understand why people think they need to ruin things. Gosh, this camera does not want to work right now. Just tilt you down. This is a brand new camera and I'm up in a tree and I don't have any grip over the camera right now. So the tripod is really gripped around the tree, and it's gripped around a twig. It's like spiraled around a twig. And I have to end the video here and then start again tomorrow. I need to go home and eat food because I haven't eaten that much today. Please, for the love of nature, don't destroy it. Don't litter. Don't spray paint trees. Go spray paint yourself. I don't want to sound like a dad here, but I'm gonna be a dad here. Let's get down. So on. I love when this happens. These are starting to overgrow and go over the sidewalk. It makes me happy because nature is fighting back against mankind. I'm rooting for you, nature. It is a new day. You want to see something cool? This is the video that you're watching. I've already started editing it. There's a lot of parts to the edits. That's not all of it. Right there. Over there. That's 5 minutes of it. 2 days later, I finally start vlogging again. Oh boy. So what I showed earlier was this morning. What you saw at the beginning of this video was 2 days ago. It will almost be 3 days ago in a couple minutes. I never exactly told you, but I got my new camera. Let me show you what it looks like in the mirror. So this is what it looks like in the mirror. It's this thing, and there's a flip-up screen. It's a new day. Day 3 of my whatever vlogs. Yo, I never finished talking yesterday. It was really quiet in my house. There was no sunlight, so I didn't have any actual, like, all I had was artificial light and it didn't look that good. I just waited till the morning. Oh god. It's really windy, so I've been out here for like 5 minutes now, blaring this stuff. I just realized my grandparents are out around the corner. I could hear it when I was like blaring it really loud at first. It's very loud, a lot of sound pollution. I'm trying to cover it up with the beautiful music.